guys, good morning. It's Merowena. Welcome back to my channel. Today, our video for today, we are going to Ballarat Wildlife here in Victoria. So, yan guys, samahan nyo kami. Medyo nakaupa ako sa trabaho ng more than a week, so kaya may time ako maggawa ng video. So, hanggang mamaya guys. Bye muna. So guys, grabe. Ang daming tao dito, very busy. Oh no. Ang haba ng pila guys, grabe. Sobra, so busy in here. Nakakaloka. Ang aga pa namin dito ha, wala pang 12 o'clock pero busy na. Oh. So guys, this is the market. Oh, wow. It's very cute. They look like a little tiger. The color. Look at this. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, wow. I want them standing dang because when they're standing it's so cute. Wow. Look at that. Flat the belly on the ground. Yeah. Hi. Hello. Hello. That's the one I love. It's standing. Here we are, one of the iconic animal in Australia. So, here's the koala bear. See yun guys? Tingnan nyo, nagre-relax sila. So, I think they're sleeping. So, yun. And there's another one there. I think that's the baby one. So, sitting over there. Oh wow. So yan guys. So this is the reason why kaya gusto ko palagi pumupunta dito sa Wildlife Ballarat kasi aywan basta happy ako nakakakita ko ng mga animals. Hello. Hi. Say hello. Hello. So ito yung guys, ang kangaroo. So look, I don't know if it's a male or female, I don't know. So but yeah, tingnan niyo siya guys, nakahiga nagre-relax because today here in Ballarat is a beautiful weather. So yun guys, ito yung emu. And mayroon naligaw na isang kangaroo dyan nakikibarkada siya sa emu. So yun nag-stand siya. Oh. So and that one is the emu. Oh. Natatakot ako dyan baka kasi noon hinabol ako niyan Takot ako baka tukayin ako. Ay naku, nakakaloka. So yung isa pagod na yata. So guys, here's the small penguin. So wow, so there swimming, they're swimming. Wait. See, look at you. So yes guys, this is the penguin, little penguin. Hoy. So guys, ayun yung tiger lakad-lakad siya, hindi mo pakali. So, where is it?
Come through again. Watch. Here it comes.
Yan, ayan yung tiger. Ang laki-laki niya Grabe. Parang gusto niya makawala. Imagine pag nakawala yan, takbuhan dito. Ay nako. Kaloka. So guys, ito na naman ito yung mga malalaking pagong. What did you call this thing then?
These are turtle style.
Turtle, but this one is
Massive
how old?
turtles.
How old now?
I think these ones can go to about 200 years, believe it or not.
Oh, really? This
Oh,
one?
yeah, they can, yeah.
Wow, they believe it or not, they
Andaman,
can
they call them.
end up
Andaman-
to
Andaman
200 years
tortoise.
old.
Yeah,
But
and
this
they can
one-
weigh up to 250 kilograms. This.
Yeah. So how old do you think this one? Ano?
Hard to know. Hard
Yeah.
to know going.
Yeah, because it's been a while in here.
But yeah, these can live for a couple hundred years.
Wow. Only the eating grass, yeah?
Yeah, herbivorous, yeah. Only
Oh,
grass.
so guys, this one is only eating grass, but they can live for 200 years, believe it or not. Ito yung pagong na mga malalaki. Tingnan nyo guys kung gaano yung kalaki. Ang laking pagong. Meron pa sila doon, no? Meron pa sila doon. Hindi ko lang ano eh. So, yun na yung iba guys, oh. Oh. Yun, oh. Tumatago kasi, hindi nagpapakita eh. Ayun yung ulo niya, oh. Oh. Yan ang pagong. Yung isa nakatulog, oh. And here, the python. This is the python. What is the difference of anaconda and python? It's look like it's the same, only it's the different color, the spots.
See, they're shedding its skin at the moment.
Yeah. See? Oh my god, it's so huge. I think this one you can eat an animals. Freshwater crocodile. Ayan, gumagalaw-galaw siya. Naku. Pag lumaki ito, manglulunok na ng tao to, nakakaloka. Yan na naman, maliliit na freshwater crocodile din to, but just the baby. Yung mga baby pa to siya. Oh, kaya liliit pa, oh. Here's a turtle. Dito naman tayo sa mga pagong. But this one is look like a pig nose. You know the nose is like a pig. Yeah.
It's called
Yeah,
a pig-nosed
so,
turtle.
di ba sa atin sa Pinas may kasabihan na kapag naglaro ka daw dito magiging bobo ka kasi mabagal daw yung pagkilos nito. Yo. So, there's wow. There's another python here, guys. Oh my god, this is a reptiles area, that's why. All the reptiles, it's in here. Grabe. A little frog in here. It's blue. Ang cute ng kulay niya, it's blue. Oh, ayan o siya guys. Ayan. Ayan. May blue palang frog. Ayan o, gumagalaw-galaw pa. Guys, this one is the very dangerous turtle. They call it snapping turtle. Kasi pag nilagay niyo yung kamay niyo dyan, ay naku, puputulin niya. Ano siya yung pag ngumanga yan, wag niyo ilalagay ang kamay niyo kasi putol talaga yan. Ganun siya, kaya tinawag siyang snapping turtle. Yan. Napaka nitong na to. Ito ang mahirap hawakan. Tingnan nyo guys siya, oh. Oh. What do you call this one? Dandang horrible,
Horrible. It's a horrible animal.
horrible
Tell you
animal.
what, you get your finger there, it'll take it straight off.
Yeah, that's right. So, yun. So, yun guys. Very dangerous turtle ito. They call it snapping turtle. Oh guys, ito yung pinakamalaking alligator dito. Yung pwede ka na talaga dito, pwede na ito siya kumain ng tao. Oh. Tingnan nyo siya guys. Neck turtle, long neck turtle. Kasi mahaba yung leeg niya, oh. Kaya tinawag siya long neck turtle. Kasi mahaba yung leeg niya. One is staring at me. I think it's lonely. Oh, you look sad. What's happening? Oh no. New Year is coming. You should be happy. Hello. Isa pang snake. This is the Woma python. This is the Woma python. Maliit pa lang siya, guys. Maliit pa lang. Hindi pa siya ganun kalaki. Hindi pa ako nito malulunok. ang kaya pa lang nito lunukin is yung mga small animal like rabbit or mga chicken ganun. So, olive python na naman ito. Python pa rin siya. Tinawag siyang olive python kasi yung kulay niya it's olive. There's another one is
The other one's right in the front.
what you call the one? Monocled?
Cobra.
Monocled cobra. So, yung cobra na talagang nanunuklaw, nakakaloka, katakot. Dito naman tayo guys sa dingo. They call it dingo. Ito yung wild dog here in Australia. Tingnan natin. Ayun sila guys, nakakulong sila kasi nga wild. Baka mga guts. So, yun, nakalagay sila dito sa proper talaga na kulungan na hindi sila pwede maka-escape. So, yun. Ayan yung isa. Oh. Nagre-relax siya doon. Parang ordinary, ano lang sila, dog. Pero, hindi sila ordinary dog talaga. Sila yung mga wild dog. Ayan. Na pwede yan sila mga gat, pwede kalapain. Napakaano nitong mga asong ito. This is a powerful dog because this is a wild dog.
Yeah.
This is not an
They have to kill for their food.
yeah. If you see them, it's look like an ordinary dog, like us there in the Philippines look like an askal, but it's not really askal.
But this has to kill for its food.
Yeah, so this is the wild animal, guys. See, look the other one there. Yeah, see, parang makita nyo lang yung parang yung ordinary na aso lang, oh. Pero tingnan nyo siya, guys. Parang napakabait, di ba? Nagpapanggap lang yan na mabait yan, pero ano yan, wild animal yan.
You're lucky because they only eat aardvarks and small humans.
So yeah, so this is the wild animal here in Australia, one of the wild animal here in Australia. So kaya nakita niyo guys yung kulungan nila, hindi sila pwede tumalon. Tingnan niyo guys, nag-sleep na siya, yung little Dewey. Tapos yun yung isa, nagre-relax siya. Ayaw nila kumain, siguro very full na sila. See, look at this. Hello. Uy, wiki wiki. Wiki wiki. Now, see? Wiki wiki. Wow, ang babait ng kangaroo dito. Nakikipag-socialize sila. Sanay sila sa mga tao kasi. Yan. Kasi dapat sila wild animal sila dito sa Australia, di ba guys? Pero dahil nga nasanay sila sa mga tao dito sa park. So yun. Kaya mga friendly na sila. So yan guys, pauwi na kami. So masyado kasi busy doon, mahirap makipagsiksikan lalo na sa mga bata. So kaya uwi na lang kami. At least na nakita ko na yung mga animals na mga gusto kong makita dito. Sabagay palagi ko naman sila nakita every year naman kasi every year pumupunta kami dito. So yun guys, so mahirap kasi makipagsiksikan lalo na sa mga bata. At syempre kahit nasabihin zero COVID dito sa Victoria, so ingat pa rin tayo kasi masyado crowded. So yun, at lalo na karamihan dito hindi na gumagamit ng mask. So yun, so ano na muna tayo, iwas ng konti. Okay guys, so hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating video. So see you in my next video guys. Bye bye, have a safe new year everyone.